Stop snoring tonight with this incredible 2-oil trick that actually works.
Mix 3 drops of eucalyptus oil with 2 drops of peppermint oil in a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of carrier oil like coconut or olive oil to dilute it safely. Before bed, gently massage this mixture on your chest and throat area. The eucalyptus opens your airways by reducing inflammation, while peppermint acts as a natural decongestant. Both oils work together to clear nasal passages and improve breathing flow. You'll notice easier breathing within minutes of application. This natural remedy costs under $5 and beats expensive snoring devices every time. Sweet dreams await you tonight.